got the EBIKE ETM RTR. I've been wanting an e-bike for so long. I finally got one, so let's unbox it. Holy moly. Let's go! This is a big tire. It's literally the same size tire as my 110. This is it compared to the 110. They're the same exact size. I'm pretty sure it's a 12 in the front, 10 in the rear. I could be wrong, but it looks insane. You won't be needing the instructions. ETM RTR toolkit, that is insane. The handlebars. Alright, we're gonna take that off, install the front plate. I accidentally got ahead of myself and I have the speedometer down here. We're gonna have to take this front plate off. Now we're installing the front fender. Okay, so we got the front fender in it, and now we're on to getting the speedometer on there. So we're gonna get the front wheel on now. Just got the front wheel on, but my phone turned off while I was recording. So this piece right here, it was supposed to come with two, but it only came with one on the top. And then I found this bolt in my box that matches that. But it's supposed to come with two, so that's the thing. So I'm gonna go look for it. Alright, so I'll see y'all whenever this is all ready to go. Electron Company, what is this? I don't know, but it must be good. So I actually do know what this is. It's for my rear suspension. I couldn't find it when it came in the box. This is the rear bolt for my rear suspension. And yeah, so let's get it in. Oh, that did not sound good. Alright, so first, let's get the bike up onto the stand. Alright, so I got the bike onto the stand, but obviously my iPhone wasn't recording, always happens. But we got it on, and now it's time to take the rear suspension bolt off. Open the new package. Hey, put grease on there. All right, 100%. All right, so basically this is the Electron Co. ETM RTR. And these are gonna be kind of like my first impressions. I've had it for like a week now. But I'm gonna be showing you all my first impressions, how I feel about it. So let's begin. Before we go, please note that every stunt done in this video is done by a professional on a closed course or done with the supervision of professionals on a closed course to ensure that everything is safe. So let's begin. We're going to start in power mode 1. This is going to be 4 kilowatts. So let's go. I really like it. To be honest, 4 kilowatts kind of feels like my CRF 110. That's power mode 1. And the funny thing is that Sport is double this power. Power mode 1 is the best for a relaxing ride, not really a high intensity, because it's just like rolls off the throttle super smooth and it's not snappy really. I like it a lot, but I want to go into power mode 2, which is going to be 6 kilowatts. This is what I normally ride in, and it just feels the best for me. Power mode 2 is like snappy, but not super snappy and like 20 miles an hour, which that's what I normally go. By the way, it's 4th of July today, so happy 4th of July, everyone. I posted a short today. If you don't know, I'm trying to do on a schedule. Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. I post shorts, and then every other Saturday, I'm gonna post a long form, or if I can, I want to try to do it every Saturday. Now, power mode 2 feels the best. We can go into power mode 3. See, it's just like it's too much power, to be honest. So yeah, power mode 3 is just an unnecessary amount of power, really. It just kicks. And this bike really feels amazing. It kind of feels like a 110, but it feels like taller. And also the bars are a little wider. And it just feels more dialed, to be honest. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And I have many more ideas to do with my e-bike, and I'm super happy I even got it. But if you want to support me, please like and subscribe so I can make more videos like this. Thank you, and goodbye.